Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your watch list on Moomoo. You can easily edit and manage a watch list in the Moomoo app. So here's how you do it. Launch Open Moomoo application on your device and log in. From the watch list page of Moomoo, go ahead and click on the Edit List button at the bottom of the screen and you will come across this page from where you can go ahead and select one of the symbol, and once you do that, you can easily go to the bottom right and remove the symbol if you want. Tap on the remove button to remove the symbol from your watch list and then click on confirm. If you want to reorder the symbol, then simply go to the right side of the symbol and press and hold it, drag it to your desired location, and you will be able to change the order of your symbol. You can also add it to your favorite list. Select the symbol and tap on Add to at the bottom right, and then tap on the New Watch List button to create a new watch list. Now give a name to your watch list and click Create, and you'll then be able to add the chosen symbol inside that new watch list. Now if you go back to your watch list page, you will see a new watch list created at the top. Here you can go ahead and select a specific coins, specific symbols, and add it to your new watch list. So that's how you easily edit a watch list in Moomoo. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.